Good morning, lovelies. How are you? I'm already busy working out. Please come and join me wherever I go. Go to your nearest park and work out. If you can't go out, imagine this is your sitting room. This is what you can do. You can run around in your sitting room. Make sure you are a bit fast. Okay? You have to be fast so that your heart rate goes up. There's no excuse that you can't run. Even encourage your children to run within the sitting room. Make sure you remove everything and have fun. Okay? You can even stay in one place and run. It's very good. Keep it up. Join me now. You can do this for 30 minutes. When you are tired, I will show you another exercise you can do in your own sitting room or any place in your house. You can work out. I have so many videos. Look them out on the YouTube. And go and see what you can do. Okay? Alright. If you are tired of that, you can now work on the legs, the bums and the stomach by lifting up your legs. Okay, here we go. You see? Make sure you suck in your stomach. Lift those legs as high as you can. There we go. Come on, lift them up. Introduce your friends to my YouTube and make sure you encourage them to work out. Okay? Okay. If you can't do that one, there are many things you can do. No excuse. Remember, you are in your sitting room or wherever you are in your house. You can do lots and lots of exercises. Okay, you can do this one. See? Make sure you lift up your legs. Bring your arms up. Here we go. Here we go. You can do it. You have the strength of God. You can do it. Oh. There's another one. There are so many, you can't finish them. You can go. Make sure that the legs are apart. Wide. You can put your hands down, at least stretch them. Or touch the floor. Okay. You can do now the squats. You have to do squats every day to get better legs, to work on your bum. It's very important. Okay. Let's do our squats now. Put your legs wide and then make sure your knees don't go beyond the toes. Now push the back. You see? You push your back at the back. Remember to suck in your stomach. Then remember you can this side or this side. Okay, we are almost done. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I want you to keep in touch. Go and watch other videos and join in. Let's work out. Let's fight high blood pressure, sugar diabetes. You can lose weight. It doesn't matter how big you are. Don't worry. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Don't allow anyone to put you down because of your weight. Work out, jog, swim, run, play tennis, do anything that can make your body move. You can even put on your music and dance vigorously. You still work on your body. Thank you once again for watching. Welcome to watch my videos on YouTube, Fitness with Josephine. Just simple exercises that will help you. You don't have to think, oh, I have to be size 8, 7. No, it's just about keeping fit. Right, baby? God bless you.